Have you ever wondered how an ordinary pencil is made? It may look simple, but behind every pencil is an incredible manufacturing process involving precision machines, skilled engineering, and millions of tiny details. Every single day, factories produce millions of pencils that are used in schools, offices, and homes all around the world. But how does a simple piece of wood become the perfectly finished pencil you use every day? Today, we're taking you inside the factory to uncover the entire process from start to finish. The journey begins with carefully selected cedar wood. Cedar is the ideal material because it's lightweight, durable, easy to sharpen, and less likely to crack. Massive cedar logs arrive at the factory, where powerful industrial saws cut them into long, thin, wooden slats. Each slat is then carefully inspected to ensure only the highest quality wood moves forward in the production process. Next, the wooden slats are placed inside large drying ovens. This step removes excess moisture from the wood, preventing future cracking, bending, or shrinking. Once completely dry, the slats are sanded until they're perfectly smooth, creating the ideal surface for the next stage of manufacturing. Now it's time to create the writing core. Although it's commonly called pencil lead, there's actually no lead inside a pencil. Instead, manufacturers combine fine graphite powder with clay and water to create a smooth paste. By adjusting the ratio of graphite to clay, they can produce pencils that write darker, lighter, softer, or harder. The graphite mixture is then forced through tiny openings, forming long, thin rods. These rods are carefully cut into the correct lengths before being baked at extremely high temperatures. This baking process makes the graphite strong enough to withstand daily writing, while reducing the chance of breaking. After the graphite rods are ready, advanced machines carve perfectly straight grooves into each wooden slat. The graphite rods are carefully placed inside these grooves with incredible precision. Another grooved wooden slat is glued on top, forming what factory workers often call a pencil sandwich. Powerful presses hold everything together while the glue dries, creating a strong and durable bond. Once the glue has fully cured, the large wooden blocks move through shaping machines. High-speed cutting blades transform them into the familiar round, hexagonal, or triangular pencils we all recognize. At this stage, the pencils finally begin to resemble the finished product. The pencils are then sent through automated painting machines. Multiple coats of colorful paint are applied, with each layer carefully dried before the next one is added. Finally, a clear protective coating gives every pencil its smooth, glossy finish while protecting it from scratches and moisture. For pencils with erasers, a small aluminum ferrule is securely attached to one end. A soft rubber eraser is then inserted into the ferrule using fully automated equipment. Before packaging, every pencil passes through strict quality inspections to ensure it's perfectly straight, evenly painted, and ready for customers. Finally, the completed pencils are sharpened, counted, packaged, and shipped to stores around the world. It's incredible to think that such a simple, everyday tool goes through so many precise manufacturing steps before reaching your hands. The next time you pick up a pencil, you'll know the amazing journey it took from raw cedar wood and graphite to the finished product sitting on your desk. If you enjoyed learning how pencils are made, be sure to subscribe for more fascinating factory tours and incredible manufacturing processes from around the world.